Hello, what you must do to make your layers lay on time within 7 to 14 days. Maybe you bought them at point of lay. What you should do to make them lay within 7 to 14 days of their purchase. Somebody called me that he has point of lay. I think for the past 2 or 3 months, he has not dropped any egg at all. It is wrong. There's something you have not done well. Watch this video and make sure you take all the instructions in this particular video if you want to make anything out of it. If not, see you selling that chicken before the next 6 weeks. Give clean glucose plus vitamin C in their water for 3 to 5 days after arrival. You bought them today, immediately they arrive, give clean water with glucose and vitamin C in their water consistently for 3 to 5 days after arrival. Start immediately with quality layer starter mash, not finisher, please. Don't use finisher. Don't use layers feed. No, give them layer starter mash. Layer starter mash, please. Because you don't know how they are being reared from the early stage of them, whether they are giving them the proper feed. This layer starter mash is going to activate them. If you have feed booster, add. Provide 16 to 17 hours of light daily. Very important. You know that in the daytime, at least 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. This is 10 already. Then in the night, like from 6 o'clock, give them light up to 10 to 12 in the night, 12 in the midnight. At least let them have light, eat well, consistently before they start laying. Now add calcium sauce like limestone or oyster shell. Grind down. I think if you have not watched the video on this feed raw materials, go and watch it. You see, know how they look like, both bone meal, oyster shell, and limestone, how they look like. Add it in their water from the day they arrive. Make sure you have it in their feed. Add it in their feed also. From that day they arrive, start adding this in their feed. You don't know how they are being reared from the early stage. That 16 week they told you they have selling to you. So make sure you add it in their feed. Add calcium sauce. Limestone is very important if you want to make them lay on time. Because even if they have enough nutrients and the minerals and vitamins are lacking, they will not lay. Use probiotic for 5 to 7 days consistently to reduce stress and boost the immunity, like Eco Bio Booster. Liquid probiotic. You have it, that yellow rubber. Buy it and give it to your birds consistently. If you don't have money, give it to them 5 to 7 days. If you have money, give it up to 3 weeks. You are going to see how they start dropping egg for you. Please maintain adequate temperature below heat stress level. Good ventilation. Make sure they are laying farm. The farm is fully ventilated, cross ventilation all over, front, back, sideways, all. Make sure they have cross ventilation. It's very important, please. Please avoid noise and overcrowding. Noise, they don't like noise. Noise prevents them from laying on time. And overcrowding is another issue. Make sure they have enough space to move around. That movement helps in feed digestion and feed oxidation and feed conversion also. So it's very important they move around always. So reduce the number. Make sure the number matches with the space you have for them also. Deworm them 7 to 10 days after arrival. If they arrive on 1st January, please, between 7th to 10th January, make sure you continue deworming them always, because you don't know how they are being cared for. Add egg booster or egg boosting vitamins and premix. Vitamin A is very important. Vitamin D3 is very important. Vitamin E is very important. Selenium is very important also. All these minerals are very important for them to have quality egg laying and quality startup. Keep clean water 24/7. They need water every time, 24/7. Both night, even darkness, they need water. Avoid changing feed brand suddenly. on arrival. If possible, find out the type of feed they are using before. It's very important. Prevent rodents and predators. It gives them stress. All this, they fly up. Give them, once they are overstressed, it will delay their laying time. Remove sick birds immediately. If you notice any sign of sickness in any of the birds, instantly remove that particular bird from the pen. Keep them in another, very far away from others. Don't allow them to mix up. Maintain correct stocking density. Make sure that that pen or that cage is properly calculated by an expert. Each bird have the square meter or square feet they need to occupy. Make sure it doesn't exceed it. Keep daily egg record from first egg. Once they start dropping, make sure you keep the record of the first time they drop egg. Keep the record of it. And monitor the activities. Whether they are squatting, whether they are moving, whether the way they eat, the way they drink. Monitor it consistently to know what's happening. Finally, the last, not the least, Eco Bio Booster and anti-coccidiosis is very important. Coccidiosis can prevent them from laying egg on time. We have Eco Cocci Cure, which you can use to flush out any form of coccidia in their system, make their system clean and ready for egg. It's very important, please. Then Eco Bio Booster is good for their immunity, to bring strong immunity in your poultry birds, for them to resist any infection, and at the same time for them to adapt to the environment, reduce stress, and also all the vitamins and minerals they need for them to start laying on time is in that Eco Bio Booster. If you give it to them, you are going to get quality egg drop within a short period of time. Don't miss it. Eco Bio Booster is the remedy for fast laying and quick laying of your laying birds. Order for it today and get it and start using it on them. You're going to get amazing results in your laying birds. Please, this video is not yet ended. We are stopping this one here to continue with another video. Load the same topic on point of lay and laying birds. If you are a layers farmer, this particular video is for you. Make sure you don't skip this video. Make sure you don't avoid any of them. Make sure you watch all till the end. Thank you for watching the video. Give this video a thumb up. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Share it to your groups, platforms, anywhere you belong. Please make sure this reach to many farmers. If you want to go into layers farm, please let me know on the comment section also. I will also guide you, give you more secrets that will help you to achieve your maximum results in your laying beds. If you're already in laying beds, you're already having layers and they're not laying, drop the comments on the comment section. Let me know. I will ask you 1 or 2 questions. I will know where the problem is coming from and also direct you. Thank you for watching the video. Let the video stop here while we continue with the next option, the other part of the same video. Till then, stay tuned. Don't go away. Bye.